Well guys, no metal detecting down here in Victoria Park, and I came across this signal detector. Look what it ended up being. It's like a baggage tag from the Newfoundland Railway, number 183. How that tag got from here, or from way down there. Railway station is down around that blue building back there, and the old yard used to be up here. However it got from the tracks to here is anybody's guess. Is that cool, or is that cool? And she's only down about a couple inches. Wicked. That was worth the trip here today. Definitely worth the trip.
You going?
Yeah, where are you to, my son?
What's that?
Where are you to?
Where am I to?
Some run rock? Digging up rocks?
I'm at Victoria Park, St. John's, Newfoundland.
There you go. And how you enjoying the stay on the old rock, boy?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's great. Weather's good. A little friendly.
Yep.
Lots to see.
Can't understand a word what I'm saying.
Just talk very slowly.
Yeah. What do you got in the hole? Anything or nothing?
Nothing yet. Sounds like a duck fart.
Oh.
Still in the hole.
Down in the hole.
So what'd you find today, Gerald?
What did I find?
Yeah.
Ooh, I found a nice little tag from Newfoundland Railway.
Ah.
Yeah, we're my trip down here today. How would you? It looks like you might have something here.
I found Kelly. Oh, yeah, I found Kelly.
Yeah, you found Kelly. Found Kelly buried up. It's not good. Good thing bones. Oh, got something.
Yep.
What do you got?
Another penny. 19. $19.70.
There you go.
Again.
Cool. Pennies. Oh, I saw.
Lots of pennies.
And then I made videos and you wonder why it says I'm on a copper streak. Penny streak. Pennies. There's pennies. Oh, piles. 1 5-cent and pennies, and some tag or something. I don't know. Yeah, you didn't get it all. Downhill a little tiny bit from it.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty good, eh?
Yep. You left one behind, sounds like.
I guess. Okay.
On the verge of raining on a Tuesday night.
Just a bit of coin spill.
Yep. Something. Oh, here you go on the side. Another penny?
Another penny. Looks newer. That's all she wrote.
It's a coin spill. Two coins. Woo! He's rich. 2 cents richer than what he was about, a couple of seconds ago.
Getting rich on Newfoundland. Who would have thunk it?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's 80. No, yeah, 84.
1984. There you go. Cool. Right.
Full of money. This part.
You want something to do? Come down here and look for pennies. And more pennies. And even more pennies. Well guys, this is a special video for Metal Dudes at the moment. And I met one of the guys from Hamilton, Ontario, came down to visit Newfoundlander for a few days, for a week or so, and Leafster, Mr. Brian, we went and spent the evening doing some metal detecting here in St. John's, and one of the parks downtown, and well, we done some pretty good finds, and I'm very proud to say that I actually found a very interesting relic. And I'm very proud to actually found this relic. Because I have not actually seen one before. I don't even know if any more exist. Perhaps they do, perhaps they don't. But it's this little tag right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says Newfoundland Railway 183, I believe it is. Yep. NFRY 183. This is actually, as far as I know, this is a luggage tag from the Newfoundland Railway, which predates the Newfoundland, or I should say, predates the CNR, which this predates Federation, obviously. I'm putting this back, I'd say at least 1920s, 1930s, might be a bit before that. I'm not sure. I might have to. I'll have to make a follow-up on this tag. But in the meantime, it's definitely a relic of the Newfoundland Railway, and I'm very proud to have found it tonight, metal detecting, and we never actually found any more. Very, 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 very lucky to have found this luggage tag, number 183 of the Newfoundland Railway. And I'm that pleased with this that, I mean, this is something I don't normally do. I'm not much of a drinker, but tonight this deserves a lamb's drink, I think. I'm going to get a little drop, but this is something I don't do very often, and I don't condone drinking by no means, but it's definitely worth the drink, and I'm going to mix it with Pepsi. I know a lot of people don't like their Pepsi and all that kind of stuff, but geez, things like sound like ready to explode. But yeah. It's definitely worth it to me. Luggage tag of Newfoundland Railway, one drink. Anyway, here's the Newfoundland Railway, man. There's more relics out there. And Brian, I'm glad to see you, man, to meet up with you. Because honestly, I don't think, I don't think I would have been down there tonight if we never met up. And if I never went down there, I would never have found this tag. So, thank you very much for going down there with me and taking a look and finding this Newfoundland Railway luggage tag, number 183 with the Newfoundland Railway. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, and enjoy the rest of the show. My burnt guts are burning from that rum. Adios, guys. Take care. Till the next time we dig a hole. Remember, molding is better than drinking. Maybe. Anyway, later.